In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a toll-free number on Postscript. This setup is important for keeping your business communication professional and easy for customers to access. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Postscript website. Log in to your account using your email and password, or sign in through your connected Shopify store. Once you're inside the Postscript dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Acquisition. From there, open the Keywords section. This is where Postscript displays the toll-free number that is automatically assigned to your account. You should now see your toll-free number listed. Before you can start using it, the number must be verified. To do this, contact Postscript support and request toll-free number verification. After submitting the request, Postscript will manually review your website. This review checks that your business is legitimate and compliant with messaging regulations. They will also ensure your site does not include restricted content such as adult material, hate content, alcohol, firearms, or tobacco. The verification process can take up to 5 business days, so be patient during this time. Once approved, your toll-free number will be fully active and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully set up and started the verification process for your toll-free number on Postscript. This gives customers an easy and cost-free way to contact your business and helps build trust and credibility. Thanks for watching and good luck with your setup.